Okay, everybody, you have a headache, you haven't taken any medication yet, you want to get rid of pain right away. Well, I have a solution for you that I use all the time and I tell all my patients to use. They have great success with it, and it's real simple. You might have it in your freezer. It's one of these cold gel packs. Um, these stay nice and pliable when you freeze them. You take them out, wrap it in a paper towel, put it wherever you have your headache pain, okay, whether it's your forehead, the top of the head, temporal area. A lot of mine are back of the neck and then top of the head, so they're tension headaches. But this does work for my migraines that I wake up with sometimes from the barometric pressure. 5-10 minutes is all it takes. Any longer than that, then it's sort of losing its temperature, so it's not going to be that effective. Ice is going to be a lot colder. It's going to last a lot longer, and I would recommend, if you're using ice instead of one of the freezer packs, that I would wrap that in maybe a washcloth or a hand towel or something like that. It's going to be much colder, and you just don't want to burn the skin. So now, if you don't have one of these, I go into the freezer, grab a bag of fried rice, frozen peas, frozen corn, frozen blueberries, whatever you have that's in there. Slap that, it's cold. Slap that sucker on the neck, and again, 5-10 minutes, and you should get some relief. Now, if you only have minimal relief, you got to go function and do something after that. Take your medication, do whatever you have to do to get by, and that's it. Go ahead and just try it out. What do you have to lose? If you like this video, follow along. I'm going to be posting a lot of headache stuff since I'm a headache sufferer myself, but I've also been a massage therapist for over 30 years, specializing in treating headaches and doing sports massage, rehab, you name it, I've done it. So anyway, hopefully this helps you. If it does, leave a comment. If you never tried it before and then you do try it and it helps you, let me know. If it's not working, maybe we can come up with some other solutions for you. Good luck. Stick around for some more videos, and I'll see you soon. Good luck.